here we have my 95 Eclipse GSX. I've had it for about 8 months now. It's been a blast. I bought it in complete shambles. It was sitting for 10 years. My cousin just lost interest in it and asked him how much, and he said 500 bucks so I could take it home. So I brought it home and got it running. Took about a month to get everything sorted, but it's a ripper. It's a lot of fun to drive. It's currently on 15 psi, so nothing crazy, but we got the spring coming in for the boost controller to turn that up. I've never owned a DSM before and felt like it would have just been a lot of fun to get into, and now I think I'm a fan for life. It's got a 6-bolt swap, all the 1G goodies, 1100cc injectors, big 16G turbo, Greddy blow-off valve, upgraded clutch and all that.